Well, hey everybody, and welcome to the second episode of Cooking with Steve. And today we're making Soulshi, and here at the Sandy Mush Smoke & Co. And so we have a variety of ingredients here to make the Soulshi, which is soul food sushi. So we have pulled pork, sweet potatoes that have been steamed, cornbread, and collard green leaves. And what's basically going to happen is you arrange the sweet potato, the pulled pork, and the cornbread into a collard green leaf instead of the seaweed leaf like you would normally do sushi. Roll it into a roll, slice it, and you arrange just like a sushi roll. And we have the dipping sauce, which is about a 60-40 mixture of barbecue sauce and mayonnaise. This is kind of like an episode of, or like the movie Memento. I'm showing you all this right now, and then actually all day I've been preparing the individual ingredients, and so I'll show you little vignettes of that as we go along. But the recipe starts with pulled pork, and so that's what we're making here today, or this first part of the episode is making some pulled pork. So in my crock pot pan here, I have some pork shoulder. Actually, this is pork loin because it was on sale. You get some pork shoulder or pork loin, and you arrange it with the fat cap. That's the fat cap right there. We're going to arrange it fat cap up so that as the fat melts over time while we're slow cooking it, the fat runs down the meat and down into the heat. All right, so here you can see the pork loin in the crock pot here. And I have my mustard. So this is some Dijon mustard. All right, so we got the Dijon mustard, and now we're gonna sprinkle in a nice liberal coating of the Acapulco Gold, just like that. And put the lid on, and we're going to cook it for about 18 hours. I'll see you guys later. Hey everybody, Steve again, and we're here talking about Soulshi. And so we have the pulled pork cooking. It's just about done, and now we're going to start prepping the collard greens here. And so you want a whole collard green leaf just like this, but you're going to see it has this spine on the back right here, the stem. And so what we're going to be doing is trimming, and then trimming the leaf flat, and then also trimming that spine on the back using a paring knife here like this. So basically taking that, trimming, and then trimming it even, and then taking the spine out. Trimming it even, and taking the spine out. So it looks like that. All right, Steve again here, and now we're going to be cutting up the sweet potatoes for the Soulshi here. So I've peeled 2 sweet potatoes, square off the ends here. And what we're going to want to do is have like 4-finger size long rectangular pieces that'll fit nicely into the Soulshi there. All right, and so you can see we have our nice rectangular pieces, and that's going to fit nicely inside the Soulshi roll so that when we slice them, we definitely get that sushi effect, and you'll see that in a little bit. All right, it's Steve here again. So the last component that we need before we can assemble our Soulshi is the cornbread. Now you can make the cornbread yourself if you have time. Today I've not had the time, so I made sure to buy some cornbread over at the store first. And the same idea is going to be used for the cornbread as we did for the sweet potatoes. We want about sticks, about a 4-finger in width, uniform, and about the length of the cornbread here. So if you watch, it would be something like this. So basically, And it's okay if it breaks. But basically, you're going to get something like that. But let me just show you one or two of these so you get the idea. We arrange the pulled pork, the sweet potato, and the cornbread. We roll it. Then we slice it into a sushi roll. And I'll give you guys a little close-up of what this looks like. And then we just keep doing that. All right, and here you see the finished product of Soulshi. You can see the little Soulshi rolls with the cornbread, the pulled pork, and the steamed sweet potato. It's basically an entire soul plate in one bite. So enjoy.